Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a column or property in Notion database safely and correctly. If your database is starting to feel cluttered with unnecessary fields, outdated tags, or unused properties, this tutorial will help you clean things up while avoiding accidental data loss. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Notion page that contains the database you want to edit. This could be a table view, board view, list, or any other type of Notion database. As your workspace grows, databases can easily become crowded with extra columns you no longer use. Cleaning them up not only makes your workspace look better, but also improves organization and productivity. Once you're inside the correct database, take a moment to review the column headings across the top. Look carefully for the property you want to remove. Maybe it's an old status field from a completed project, a tags column you no longer need, or duplicate information that's become unnecessary over time. Before deleting anything, it's always a good idea to double-check the data inside that column. Scroll through a few rows and make sure there's nothing important you may need later. Remember, deleting a property also deletes all the data stored inside it. If there's any information you might want to keep, consider copying it somewhere safe or creating a backup before moving forward. Once you're certain, move your mouse over the column heading you want to delete. Click directly on the property name. This will open the Property Settings menu, where Notion gives you several options for customizing your database. If you're new to Notion, don't worry, the process is straightforward. Inside the menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Property. In most cases, it appears near the bottom of the menu. Clicking this option tells Notion that you want to permanently remove the column and all associated data. At this point, Notion will usually display a confirmation prompt. This is an important step designed to prevent accidental deletions. Take a second to carefully read the message before confirming. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need the property or its contents, click Delete to continue. As soon as you confirm, the column disappears from your database, along with any information stored inside it. And just like that, your database becomes cleaner, more focused, and easier to navigate. Removing unnecessary properties can make a huge difference, especially when working with large databases or managing multiple projects. A streamlined workspace helps you find information faster and keeps your workflow more efficient. Think of it like cleaning out a crowded desk drawer. Once the clutter is gone, everything becomes easier to manage. And that's it. That's how you delete a column or property in Notion the right way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.